Want this? Hello guys, today I am going to show you how to make these trending transition. Along with that, I will give you the preset after completing 100 like. Let's start the tutorial. By the way, I'll have already set up the clip, so to make the transition, just follow my step.
Yo no taca, taca. Yo no taca, taca. Yo no taca, taca. Yo no taca, taca.
Is not mandatory to put keyframes in the angle. If you feel it's look good, then you can put it like me. But in the preset, I have removed the keyframes of the angle of wipe effect.
Yo no taca, taca. jonno takkata. Taki. Taka jonno takkata. Taki.
The process is done, so you need to apply these things in the rest of the other clips according to the beat. Just example how I did it. You can make it more perfect, giving it more time. I guess now you will understand how to use the preset. Okay guys, that's it for today's video.